Another day of sanding before we're on the home stretch. Scotty got that whole deck joint detail dialed in. Looks beautiful. Really got the lines right back to where they were supposed to be. Phenomenal job. Joe's working the details of the hatch openings. Then it's dialed in. So with the exit platform. We're hoping to have this thing in ultra high build for the end of the week. We are down to the details now that the flats are pretty set. We need to work the details. Get all our edges mint. Missing out on the initial application of our Duratech high build. Boy, that looks beautiful. The amount of body work that's been done on this, you can see in all the past video exactly what went into this. And to have it going into ultra high build is huge. A sign that we know we're on the home stretch. This is where it comes down to the nitty gritty. Scott and Dennis have skimmed pinholes, minor imperfections that they pick up now that the surfaces are buried in an ultra high build. They've applied their dye, and since we dye the surfaces first, they're able to find all those little pinholes because the dye gets in those pinholes. Now they'll hit every little edge, knock it down smooth with 180, making sure all our lines are spot on straight. You can actually see by using the dye. You can see their line was off a bit here and they had to add. Scotty did a phenomenal job recreating this halted deck joint. Came out flawless, really did. Well, this is truly the home stretch. Almost done with all of the edges. Stanley's already started doing the flats. We see light at the end of the tunnel. Should be ready for our final primer by the end of the day.